Dear students, in this video I will show you how to fill the revaluation or photocopy application form given by the university. So in order to fill this, uh, you have to install the one app that is called WPS Fill Sign in a Play Store. We'll send you the direct link to the with respect to your WhatsApp number. So once you install this, I already installed. Now go to WhatsApp, which is you received a application through your respective faculty, and this is the application received. And now open with the WPS. Don't give Adobe, give WPS. Now once you open this, click on here first. Then there is a editable text box will be appear. Now you can enter what are the parameter they asked, the enter. Suppose they ask user, so I'll give as 1RL 18 ME 001, then name Vijay. If you want, you can increase this font size or decrease. Then mobile number 123456. Suppose example this one, like vgmac@gmail.com, which is a respective email ID. It should be in a small letter. It should be enter .com. So you can place hold the text box and place properly. And now account number, say 123456. So for account number and bank details, you refer your passbook. Enter properly. Name of the branch, sorry, name of the bank. Suppose name of the bank is corporation. And branch. So I will give branch, and branch I will give as not branch, ISFC code. Suppose I will give my ISFC code is CORP 123451. So with respect to your passbook, please enter your account number and name of that bank and the ISFC code properly. Now come to the which subject you want to apply the RV or as well as photocopy. Please fill this form. For subject code and subject title, you refer your document which is attached to, we'll send you for your reference through your WhatsApp group. Now suppose I will going to apply for third semester, and I will mention subject code as 18, everything should be caps, okay, 18 ME 34, keep it properly. Now I will mention subject name as mechanics of machines, so mechanics of materials, okay. Now here you can zoom it. Now whether you are applying for RV as well as PC. Suppose I am going to apply for RV. Now if you click on that, so you can see here no need to enter the text here. We need to tick mark. For this there is a right mark is no. You just click on that. That's all. Now suppose I need to apply for 5th semester also. 5th semester, and subject code is 17 ME 51, and keep it closely. Now and subject code is subject name is turbo machines, and suppose I am going to apply for PC, just click on right mark. Suppose if you want for both, then you click on for RV and PC. So now in the last column, total fees you have to enter. So now be careful here. They are given instruction for UG program per revaluation subject is 400 and photocopy is 300. So now I taken for demo 2 subject. One is RV is 400 plus PC is 300. So 400 plus 300, it is 700 plus 20 rupees for the application charges, that is 720. Then you have to enter here 720. Then you come to the, okay, once you created, you come to the bottom here, signature of the student. First you need to create that. Click on this signature, and create signature, and it will open in the landscape mode, and you just write your signature, then give confirm. Next it will comes appear your signature here, and where you want to place your signature of the student. Once you done this, then your application is completed now, like this. If you want anything, you can cross verify the subject name and subject code, write it in a separate sheet by referring the document of subject list which is given in a WhatsApp group. Then once you verify this, then go for here save. Then it will ask you whether you want to save this. Suppose I need to save in a separate folder, go file manager, and suppose I need to store in a internal memory, and I will create where you want to save it. So any particular folder, if you want to save it, you can save it. Suppose for a time sake I will create one new folder, it's called exam forum exam. Now the exam folder is created. I will open that. Okay, exam, and give paste. Now you select this and give more option. You rename this file as your USN number. That is one, suppose 1 RL 17 ME 001. Press OK. That's all. Then come back. Now go to WhatsApp group. Here we sent you one exam form link, Google form. You just fill this, open this Google form. Now fill the details. Okay, suppose name of the students I will mention as Vijay, then 1 RL 17 ME 001 branch, click on with respect to branch ME and current semester which one your, suppose say 6M, mine is 6M, and contact number and mail ID. Everything is mandatory. Star means all the details should be mandatory. gmail.com, you enter in a small letter .com. Next here upload the RPC application. So now when you click on this, select, it will ask you the path where you saved. So it will ask you open the file manager and go to more option here and file manager, and here internal memory I saved, and where you saved, which folder. Suppose example I saved in a exam folder, exam, and here you select, then press OK, then give upload. Okay, it's uploaded now successfully. Now submit. So it's done. Thank you.